Hello everyone, welcome again. Today's topic is long vowel and short vowel. In English, the sounds of the vowels are grouped into two pairs, short vowel and long vowels. Short vowels, pronounced with a shorter duration. Tongue position, more open and relaxed. Examples: cat, pet, hit, hot, cut. Long vowels, pronounced with a longer duration. Tongue position more closed and tense. Look at the examples: cake, meat, right, show, cute. Examples in sentences. Letter A. The cat sat on the mat. I'll take a slice of cake. Examples in sentences. Letter E. I'll get the pet. Let's meet at the park. Examples in sentences. Letter I. Hit the ball. I love to ride my bike. Examples in sentences. Letter O. The hot dog is ready. The show starts at 8. Examples in sentences. Letter U. Cut the paper. That's a cute puppy. The short vowel sound symbol. The short vowel sound symbol is a curved line above the vowel, called a breve. They look like this: A, E, I, O, U. The pronunciation of apple would look like this. Long vowel sound symbol. The long vowel sound symbol is a horizontal line above the vowel, called a macron. They look like this: A, E, I, O, U. The pronunciation of light would look like this.